Okay guys, let's get started. Let's see what we are going to create today. It's a NAS presentation. Let's start to create it. Okay, let's start. At first we need the pictures. After having the pictures, you need to create a new slide. In the new slide, we have the pictures. And after having the pictures, we just simply need to crop them to the size we want. Let's start with these pictures. I have all the pictures here. Let's say we want to crop them. We go to picture format, crop, and reduce their size to the size we want for the cars to be shown. After doing that, you create something like this, and then you need to copy each slide and increase the size of the car you want. For example, let's say we want to increase the first car size. We go to crop, reduce the size, and also drag down the position, and then reduce the size. Let's just reduce the size, and then increase the size of the last car. Okay, let's increase it from here to here. It's good. And then bring the car down. It's okay. Now just do the same thing for all three of them like that. And after that, your slide is ready but needs some modification. You need to paste the text. The text is some easy text that I write using Overdrive Sunset font. And after doing that, we select all four and set the transition to morph. Then your slide is ready. You see, it's looking great. And you can hyperlink the pictures from here. Select the pictures and link it to the slide. For example, link the Ferrari to the 6th slide, and then what happens if you click on the Ferrari? You go to the slide you want. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice